Hello trader, this is a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. And we can see dollar yen from the bigger picture perspective in a very strong downtrend. So before we look at how we can find trading opportunity, let's quickly look at the monthly chart on dollar yen to see overall picture in the market. So we can see that monthly the price has just broken this monthly support level here on dollar yen, and after break of this monthly support there is an imbalance here and the price is still maintaining a strong bearish market structure on the lower time frame as well as in the higher time frame. So you can expect dollar yen to continue to drop to that monthly support level. If we look at the weekly perspective, we can see that from the weekly previous week the candle is a bearish engulfer, and that bearish engulfer has shown a very stronger momentum here. We can see that with this weekly doji formation the price has broken below that support level, followed by a long week rejection here, followed by another weekly bearish engulfer in that area. And with this bearish engulfer from the weekly, this week we can see the market had just tested that level, and with this gap open the price started to drop. As we can see there is an imbalance here, there is no significant level of support. We could see that the price potentially dropping back to that weekly support level. If we look at the daily chart to see overall picture, we can see the last day of trading week during the NFP we saw that there is a daily doji formation, and today's price action open with a gap again with the new weekly open. As a result, we can see the market is still maintaining a strong bearish price action. And if we closely look at, we see that there is a daily head and shoulder in that important level of resistance below this 20 EMA, giving a very high probability for this market to trend to the downside to create a new lower low. So if we look at the 4-hour perspective on dollar yen, we can see that this market in a strong downtrend and expecting for the price to continue to drop to create a new lower low. So this is where as soon as we will find suitable entry on dollar yen, we will be looking for selling opportunity in this instrument. Let's look at GBPJPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have looking at monthly chart to see again overall picture. Now GBPJPY from the monthly we can see that also there is a gap open, followed by with this previous monthly perspective the market has formed a series of lower high here, formed that long week candle, and this month after retesting this monthly high the price has got a very strong rejection to the downside here on GJ. And what I think that the price may continue to drop here to create a new lower low. If we look at the weekly perspective on GJ after the previous weekly long week, this week the market again opened with a gap, form another strong bearish price action here from the weekly, expecting for the price to continue to drop to create a new lower low. If we look at the daily chart on GJ, we can see that from the daily perspective, this is the daily price action. There is a daily bearish engulfer, and today's price action we can see the market here has maintained a series of lower high, and we can see that from that zone the price started to break below. And as a long-term trend is down, we see that the price failed to create a higher high. We could see that now along with the dollar yen GJ as well may continue to drop, and we could see the price potentially breaking back below this support level here. From the 4-hour perspective on GBPJPY, we can see that there is a head and shoulder formation here, and with that head and shoulder formation there is a also strong bearish engulfer here on GJ, expecting for this market to potentially continue to trend to the downside to create a new lower low. So this is where as soon as we will find suitable entry on GBPJPY, we will be looking for selling opportunity in this instrument. Traders, if you enjoyed this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.